Example 14 from the chapter Triangles. O is any point inside a rectangle. It is given like this. And we should, in rectangle name is ABCD, we should prove that OB square. We should join OB. OB square plus OD square is equal to OA square plus OC square. For this, we should do one construction. Through O, we should draw a line called PQ parallel to BC. Okay, so that the point P lies on AB and point Q lies on CD. Okay, so that is what first we are going to do. Through O, draw PQ parallel to BC so that point P lies on AB and point Q lies on CD. So now we have, because of we have drawn the parallel line, now we have PQ parallel to BC. PQ is parallel to BC. നേരത്തെ എ ബി സി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ റെക്റ്റാങ്കിളാണ്. റെക്റ്റാങ്കിൾ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ എല്ലാ ആംഗിളും 90 ഡിഗ്രിയാണ്. ആംഗിൾ ബി 90, ആംഗിൾ സി ഇസ് 90. ഇനി ബി സിയുടെ പാരലൽ ആയിട്ടാണ് ലൈൻ പി ക്യു വരയ്ക്കുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് so that the angle of the, so if you are drawing this parallel to this PQ will be perpendicular to AB and PQ same way it will perpendicular to DC. Therefore we can say PQ is perpendicular to AB and PQ perpendicular to CD. Okay, the reason is here why, because it is perpendicular. Angle B 90 degree and angle C is also equal to 90 degree here. Okay, we said these two are perpendicular here. Since it is a perpendicular, then what is the value of the angle? This angle, so this angle angle BPQ will be equal to 90 degree and angle CQP is also 90 degree. So from this one we can say that therefore this we get here one quadrilateral, that is this is also becomes as rectangle. Ella angle 90 degree aayikande this quadrilateral we can say that BPQC is a rectangle the same way APQD. In this order we are taking in this example. So therefore BPQC and APQD are both rectangles. Both are rectangles. So we get both are rectangle here. Now we should prove that what is given the question. We said that these two are rectangle. There is a reason why we said these two are rectangles, because we will use the properties of rectangle in the throughout between the answering. Okay, so now we take this triangle. Okay, so now in triangle OBP we are saying that this is 90 degree, so opposite to that is hypotenuse. So OB square, hypotenuse square is equal to OP square plus sum of squares of other two sides, BP square. Okay, OP square plus BP square. Here we said this is by this is equation 1. This is by Pythagoras theorem. Then we can take another triangle, that this one. Okay, OD square. So because in question OB and OD is mentioned, so we are taking in such a way that, so here OD is the hypotenuse. Then we can say in triangle OQD, OD square is equal to OQ square plus DQ square. This is equation 2. Okay, now we take another two triangles, that's OA and OC square. Okay, first let us take any triangle one. Then I am taking this OC OQ. Now in triangle OCQ, we can say OC square, because OC is the hypotenuse opposite to the right angle. So OC square is equal to OQ square plus CQ square. This is equation 3. And in triangle, last one, we take this triangle because it is mentioned in the question that OC and OA. So we are taking that this triangle. This name is here. We say that any OAP. Okay, in triangle OAP, we say that OA square is equal to OP square plus AP square plus AP square. This is equation 4 now. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to add equation 1 and 2. Adding adding 1 and 2. So we are adding that. So we add left side values. So OB square plus OD square is equal to, now right side values, OP square plus BP square plus here OQ square plus DQ square. So we have written that. Now we can erase these two values. So again we can write here OB square plus OD square is equal to OP. So we can write OP square plus BP. Instead of BP, we can write CQ. We can write CQ. Why we are writing CQ instead of BP? Because it is a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. BP is equal to CQ. That is why we are changing that. Instead of BP, we are writing CQ. Plus, next one, we have OQ. So OQ square plus then DQ. We have DQ. Instead of DQ, we can write AP square. Reason the same reason, because it is a rectangle. So I said no, we rectangular property use cheyunna. So opposite sides are equal. So DQ is equal to AP. We are writing. So we can write reason here, since BP is equal to CQ and DQ is equal to AP. Now we do some rearrangement ചെയ്യാണ്. We write OB square plus OD square is equal to OP square plus AP square. Because OP square plus AP square എവിടെയുണ്ടെന്ന് നോക്കി, OP square plus AP square ഈ ഇക്വേഷൻ ഇവിടെ യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ഇത് രണ്ടും നമ്മൾ ചേർത്ത് എഴുതുന്നത്. This and this we are writing, okay, plus these two CQ square plus OQ square. CQ square and OQ square is there here in equation 3. Okay, we can write OB square plus OD square is equal to, ഇതിൻ്റെ പകരം നമുക്ക് എന്ത് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാം, OA സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാം, OA സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് ഇതിൻ്റെ പകരം നമുക്ക് OC സ്ക്വയർ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. സോ ദിസ് ഇസ് ഫ്രം equation 3 and 4 we got this answer. So our answer, this is what we have to prove, hence proved. Okay, so question number 13 we are going to do. BL and the CM are the medians of a triangle ABC. Okay, BM is a median of side median, so this will be divided into equal halves. So CL and AL is equal. The same way AM and MB will be equal because it is a median. The triangle is a right angle at A. Prove that 4 times BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 times BC square. So how we are going to do is, what is given the question, let us write. Okay, so given first triangle ABC is right angle at C, right, right angle at A, that is given the question. That let us write first. Okay, and BM and CM are the medians are given. So let us write the same as what is given the question. BL and CM are the medians of a triangle ABC which is right angled at right angle at A. So it is a right angle triangle, so we can use Pythagoras theorem in that. Then now we are taking each of the triangles. First one from triangle ABC, because I said that it is a right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem. So here the BC is the hypotenuse, so BC square is equal to the sides is AB square plus AC square, AB square plus AC square. This is our equation 1. So by Pythagoras theorem we got the result. So this is our equation 1. Then we take other two triangles, other two right angles. ഇവിടെ 3 റൈറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടാവുന്നത്. ഒന്ന് ABC എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞൊരു ട്രയാങ്കിൾ, പിന്നെ ABL എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ, പിന്നെ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നത് CAM എന്ന് പറയാം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ CMB എന്ന് പറയാം. സോ അടുത്ത ട്രയാങ്കിളായ ABL ട്രയാങ്കിൾ എടുക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഫ്രം ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ABL, okay, from triangle ABL we can write which is hypotenuse side is here BL. Okay, so BL square is equal to AB square plus AL square, AB square plus AL square. ഇവിടെ ഈ AL, so AL we have, so AL is actually half of AC, right? ACയുടെ പകുതിയാണ് AL, അത് അങ്ങനെ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. BL പകരം നമ്മൾ വേറെ എന്തെങ്കിലും സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ പറ്റില്ല. സോ വി റൈറ്റ് BL ആസ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ്. ABനും സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയില്ല. നെക്സ്റ്റ് AL പകരം വി ക്യാൻ റൈറ്റ് AC by 2 the whole square. Next we can square this inside. So we get BL square is equal to AB square plus AC square by 4 now. 2 square ചെയ്താൽ നമുക്ക് 4 എന്ന് കിട്ടും. So now we can multiply throughout equation by 4. So we get 4BL square is equal to 4AB square plus AC square. Okay, so this one we can take it as equation 2. Now and in triangle we are taking another triangle that is we can give the name here. We are taking here name as CMA. CMA. Anyway we can write ACM also. ACM. Anyway, CMA is given text. I am taking ACM. Okay, because in alphabetical order I have taken here. The reason why CAM is taken, and I am changing that. I would like to change it. Why it is CAM? Why CAM means it indicates AA is the 90 degree. That is why it is written like that. In ABL we have taken that in before that ABL, but it is not followed that one. So we can take ACM. Then here CM is the hypotenuse side. In textbook it is CM also. MC alla ഞാൻ ജസ്റ്റ് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്തത് MC ആണ് തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്, CM ആണ് തന്നിട്ട് CM ആണ്. സോ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ തന്നിട്ടുള്ള മെത്തേഡിലാണ് ഞാൻ എടുക്കുകയാണ്. സോ CM square is equal to AM square plus AC square. AM square plus AC square. Okay. So here നമുക്ക് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയുന്നത് AM, we can change it. AMൻ്റെ പകരം നമുക്ക് ABയുടെ പകുതിയാണ് AM. So CM square is equal to ABൻ്റെ പകുതിയാണ് AM square plus AC square. So CM square is equal to AB square divided by 4 plus AC square. Okay, and then we can multiply throughout by 4. So multiply by 4. So we get here, when you multiply by 4 we get 4CM square is equal to AB square plus 4AC square. Okay, this is our equation 3. ഇനി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത് എന്താണ്? We can add these two. As per the question we can add these two. Okay, so adding 2 and 3. Adding 2 and 3. So we get 4BL square plus 4CM square is equal to 4AB square plus AC square plus AB square here plus 4AC square. Okay, so we can take it 4 as common. 4BL square plus CM square. So left side is നമുക്ക് കറക്റ്റായി. ഇനി റൈറ്റ് സൈഡും കൂടി നമുക്ക് കറക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാനുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, റൈറ്റ് സൈഡ് we can add മൊത്തം 5AB സ്ക്വയർ ആണുള്ളത്, അതേപോലെ 5AC സ്ക്വയർ എന്നുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, then here also 5 we can take it common outside. So 4BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 common ആയിട്ട് പുറത്തേക്ക് എടുത്താൽ നമുക്ക് AB square plus AC square എന്ന് കിട്ടും. AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square ആണ് from equation 1. നമുക്ക് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാം. 4BL square plus CM square is equal to 5BC square. 5BC square. This is from equation 1. Okay. So hence we have proved the answer. Next is exercise 6.5, question number 2. PQR is a triangle, right angle at P. So it is picture, we can draw it. So PQR is a right triangle. So we can give a right angle triangle. Here I am giving the right angle. We can change the ഈ പിക്ചർ ഇങ്ങനെ തന്നെ വരയ്ക്കാമെന്നില്ല, ഈ ആംഗിൾ താഴോട്ടോ വേറെ എങ്ങനെ വേണമെങ്കിൽ മാറ്റി എഴുതാം. സോ ഹിയർ റൈറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ അറ്റ് പി. സോ പി ഈസ് എ റൈറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ. സോ പി വി കൻ ഗിവ് ക്യൂ ആൻഡ് ആർ. M is a point on OR. Okay, M is a point on OR such that PM. So PM is perpendicular to QR. Show that PM square is equal to QM into MR. QM into MR. It is we have to prove. Solution. So given that PQR is right triangle, with angle P. With angle P is equal to 90 degree, which means angle P is the right angle. And then what else is given? M is a point on QR such that PM perpendicular to QR. These are the things here given. Okay, so now let us take PM. We need PM square, it is asked. So both triangle PM is there in both triangles, so we can select it. So first this triangle we can take. In triangle PQM, we can say PQ is the hypotenuse side. So PQ square is equal to PM square plus QM square. PM square plus QM square. So here we need PM equal to another question. So PM square is equal to PM square is equal to, then we can bring this side. So we get PQ square minus QM. So PM ഇവിടെ തന്നെ വയ്ക്കാം. PM in one side. So PMൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഉള്ളത് എന്താണ്? QM square. അത് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് കൊടുത്താൽ എന്താവും? PQ square minus QM എന്നാവും. അതിവിടെ എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. So this is equation 1. We can take it. Next, this triangle, and in triangle PMR, so PR is the hypotenuse, is equal to PM square plus MR square. PM square plus MR square, or RM square we can write. So here PM square, so we can bring this mr this side, so pr square plus mr square. Okay. Now what we are going to, sorry, here minus. What we are going to do is we are going to add, this is equation 2. So adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2 we are going to do. So equation 1 is here pm square, here also pm square. So total 2 pm square is equal to, then here pq is positive. pq is positive. The same way here pr also positive, pr square. Then we can have this negative minus qm square. This negative also we can write minus mr square. Now you can see that pq square plus pr square, pq plus pr square, right, which is equal to, we can say qr square. So 2pm is equal to pq, instead of pq square plus pr square we can write as qr square. We can give the name as qr square. Okay. So qr square. Yes, I'm just checking that name as it's given as qr. rq also no problem in that. So then this is equal to qr square. Since using Pythagoras theorem, P is the 90 degree, opposite hypotenuse, QR on hypotenuse. So QR square is equal to QP square plus we can give PR square. That is how we change it. But minus common at porthikku. So QM square plus MR square. So QM plus MR is equal to QR, right? Next we write 2pm square is equal to pq square plus qr square is equal to pq plus pq square plus pr square is equal to, we can say it is qr square. So instead of this one we can say it is a qr square. Reason this is a hypotenuse side, so qr square, since qr square is equal to qp square plus pr square using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So these two values we can write qm square minus mr square. This qr, what is qr? qr means qm plus mr. 2pm square is equal to, instead of qr we can write qm plus mr square minus qm square minus mr. Now this is a plus b whole square formula. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 2pm square is equal to, we can substitute the formula, that is qm square, a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square minus qm square minus mr square. So qm square minus qm square cancel, plus mr square minus mr square cancel. What is remaining? 2pm square is equal to 2qm into mr. So 2 will be same cancel. So what is remaining? pm square is equal to 2qm into mr. This is what we have to prove in this question.